engaged.
Oh, wow!
Oh my god, this is so big!
Yes.
Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. For today's video, I am finally about to share with you all what the secret project of 2025 is. If you follow me on Instagram, then you already know that this year your Sara is going to be at the Cannes Film Festival 2025. I am making my debut at the Cannes Film Festival. It sounds crazy to me that this is even happening. ये मैं अभी finally बोल रही हूँ और मैं 2 दिन में निकल रही हूँ. The months of prep that has gone behind it has been crazy. Like I have not been able to share so much in my regular vlogs because जब से पता चला there is so much that has to be done for the Cannes Film Festival, right? From outfits to brands to collaborations to so much. So I just wanted to give you all a backstory and show you all the reactions of all my loved ones when they came to know that I'm going to Cannes because it is a huge deal, okay? Like मैं जब से छोटी थी तब से I know कि ये Cannes Film Festival क्या होता है because बचपन से I remember Aishwarya Rai used to go for this every year and she was like this epitome of beauty जो हम लोग रुके रहते थे उनको देखने के लिए on the red carpet. And this year I'm going to be on the same red carpet she has walked every single year. So I'm literally in awe कि कैसे हो मतलब क्या ही लाइफ चल रही है. I have no idea. Like this was not even on my bingo card. Like मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था कि ये मैं कभी करूंगी. मेरे प्लान में मेरे विजन बोर्ड पे इस पे कुछ भी नहीं था. I'm a very entrepreneurial content creator. You all know that. That's where my vision is and that this was not on my plan of action. One evening I'm just lying down in bed scrolling on Instagram और I think weekday ही था but मेरी पीठ दुख रही थी या कुछ and I was just sitting in bed and I got a message from my PR agent and she's like, hey, Brute team is asking if you'd be interested to go to Cannes 2025 this year. And I was like, huh? Like literally my reaction was like they're asking me. I just have to, you know, all of this I feel like Instagram पे जिनकी ज्यादा following होती है उनको ज्यादा leverage मिलता है या footage मिलता है ये सब चीजों के लिए और मेरी Instagram पे इतनी ज्यादा following नहीं. I'm telling you, no, it was not on my plan. So I'm such a plan oriented girl कि जो मैं कर रही हूँ वो ही होना चाहिए ना life में. तो when she asked me, I was confused why she's asking me also and I was like, what do you mean? And she's like, this year they are doing creator founders. So they are basically doing a whole theme on creators who have their own brands and they would love to take Sara Sarosh and Impulse Coffees to the Cannes Film Festival 2025. And I was like, I just said okay. I just literally said okay. And then I asked Reed, I was like, what do you think? And he's like, say yes. What do you mean? What do you think? So I was like, no, wait, I need to discuss this. I need to analyze this. I need to evaluate this. I can't just say yes. I was like, is it even for real? Like, you know, I was not able to, there was a little bit of imposter syndrome that was kicking in कि मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है, कैसे हो सकता है, वो भी हो रहा था. तो I was not feeling like I deserve to be there. Is it even the right choice for me? So I didn't want to just say yes. I was kind of confused actually. I was like, ये नहीं हो सकता. I just came in the room and I just told her, you know, she's asking this. And Sharon was like dumbfounded. She's like, what do you mean? Like you're selected, Sara. They shortlist people for this and you are shortlisted. Say yes, we'll figure everything out. I was like, नहीं मैं पहनूंगी क्या, मैं कपड़े क्या पहनूंगी, मैं ये कैसे करूंगी, मैं वो मुझे कुछ आता नहीं है. I'm not a fashion girly. I was just so all over the place. And she was like, we will figure everything out. You say yes. And then I said yes. And then once I said yes, then the discussion started, the meeting started with my team कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. Very, very nervous. I'm super excited. Also, I'm literally leaving in 2 days. My preparations are all done. I'm holding this beautiful box from Brute. This is the invite hamper जो उन्होंने मेरे लिए भेजा है. And it has my name and everything. I've already opened it. I just wanted to show you all what the invite looks like. So basically, Brute is the official media partner of Cannes Film Festival 2025. So every year they shortlist list of creators that they would like to take to Cannes. So in that shortlist, my name came up. So that's the reason why I am so like dumbfounded कि मेरा नाम आया है कैसे. Like how can, you know, people even think about me? That I just had that imposter syndrome for a while there because I'm not that Instagram famous. I'm not Insta famous, right? It kind of felt weird, but once they said that they want to do creator founders and they want to do it with Impulse Coffees, it made a lot of sense because I was like, okay, I have my own brand. If my brand is also going to benefit out of this, then let's do it. Like, you know, I will do it. Like this is one of those things that I'm scared to do, but let's do it. जब से वो हुआ, this literally I think came one day before my birthday or one day after my birthday and it almost felt like a birthday birthday gift. Like we came to know in January. तो जब जैसे ही पता चला in Jan, I was like maybe this is a sign from God. You know, this is His birthday gift for me. This is like last year was so hard for me, and He's just like take it. This year you deserve it. Go for it. Have fun. Own the red carpet. Do your thing. Like I felt like this was God's sign for me, and that's what Reet was also saying. Everything happens for a reason. Take it. You'll do your best. You will do your best. So I was like okay fine. So Reet and Sharon का रिएक्शन नहीं है मेरे पास बिकॉज उनसे आई एक्चुअली आस्क्ड कि मुझे करना है कि नहीं करना है. फिर उसके बाद लाइक वी इवन पूजा लाइक आई डोंट हैव अ रिएक्शन बिकॉज दिस वाज लाइक अ डिस्कशन बिटवीन द टीम ऑन हाउ वी वांट टू डू इट. इफ वी डू इट लाइक इट शुड नॉट फील आउट ऑफ प्लेस. आई शुड नॉट फील आउट ऑफ प्लेस. आई शुड फील कंफर्टेबल. इट्स अ huge event. It's a global event. It's a global red carpet. Very esteemed people are shortlisted to go for this festival. You know, the best of best directors, best of best actors, and you know, very few people, very selected people attended. So to be amongst them, feel like I deserve to be there, and that feeling needed some time to sink in. And once that happened for me, I said yes to the Brute team, and then the work started, the prep started कि क्या पहनना है, कैसे करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. अभी मेरे at this point मैं literally 2 दिन पहले बैठ के ये इंट्रो कर रही हूँ आप लोग के लिए और मैं 2 दिन में कान जा रही हूँ. Can't even believe it. And मेरी सारी पैकिंग हो गई है, सब कुछ हो गया है. I hope I come through, and I hope you all like the looks, and I hope there's this whole messaging that I want to carry to Cannes because it's my first time. I'm not just going as Sara Sarosh. I'm not just going as Impulse Coffees. I want to take this big messaging and go, and I hope it translates. Anyway, let me show you this cute hamper that Brute team has sent. It's black in color, and it has this invite, the official invite that says Brute, and it has the logo of Festival de Cannes. It has this golden hamper. This is what the invite looks like on the inside. मैंने already सब कुछ खोल दिया है. It says here's a little inspiration as you prepare to own the red carpet. So they've given like a red carpet का cutout, छोटा सा टुकड़ा कि आप लोग अपने outfits को red carpet पे लगा के देख सकते हो कि कैसा दिखेगा. And it says get ready for Cannes. Brute invites you to experience the magic of the 78th annual Festival de Cannes. As the festival's official media partner, we are honored to host you for a celebration of cinema and creativity. Oh, I'm so excited now that I'm reading it out loud in a vlog to my vlog camera. This feels real. Okay, we also have this cute neck pillow for your flight that is customized with my name. So जब मेरी flight होगी, so Cannes, if you don't know, is in the south of France. So I'll be flying from Mumbai to Nice, and then Nice say that they will be arranging a car and taking me to Cannes, and there is where the film festival happens. So this city is very popular for the film festival only. वैसे it's a very beautiful city and you can visit it normally also. But ये film festival में premieres होते हैं of selected movies, and even to get your movie premiered and shortlisted at the Cannes Film Festival is a huge deal. वो premiere में हम attend करते हैं और वो premiere के लिए red carpet होता है for anybody who's not that familiar with the concept of Cannes Film Festival. Because I was a French student. I took French in 8th, 9th, 10th, and in our French textbook there was a whole chapter on Festival de Cannes, and I remember studying it properly, and उसमें Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has been mentioned. She's a veteran on the Cannes Film Festival red carpet because she goes every year. So she's always been mentioned. Like whenever you think of Cannes, you think of Aishwarya Rai because she goes every year. Like she first used to go with L'Oreal. She's always gone at the Cannes. I don't know if I'll get to meet any Bollywood person. I don't know honestly. मैं क्या देखूंगी, किसको देखूंगी. मैं सब vlog करूंगी आप लोग के लिए. तो वो आप लोग को vlogs में देखना पड़ेगा. There are 2 wine glasses with my name on it. Very cute. And there are also 2 coasters with my name on it. Very cute. Thank you so much Brute, and I'm so excited. अभी मैं आप लोग के लिए सारे reactions play कर रही हूँ इस vlog में. अभी जब आप ये vlog देख रहे हो तभी I am going to be in Cannes. आपकी सारा ने बहुत मेहनत की है इन 2 महीनों में to put everything together, and just pray that everything goes well, because while you all watch this vlog I will be in Cannes. Cannes, वो pronunciation भी मैंने सीखा है that in different nationalities they say different things. But I'm so excited. I'm so nervous, and I'm feeling a lot of things. But now you'll watch this vlog. It's the next day of my birthday. Literally, abhi tak mirror pe it's my birthday likha. Today is 30th January 2025, and I just got a message from my manager saying that Sara Sarosh and Impulse Coffees are confirmed for Cannes Film Festival 2025. Oh my God, what is this life? Like, birthday पे ये तो मांगा भी नहीं था मैंने. Like, what is happening? I was lying down in bed. I was so tired from my birthday party last night. So I took an afternoon nap. मैं लेटी हुई थी and I got the message, and अभी तक confirmation email वगैरह कुछ नहीं आया. This is my... I'm not able to process it also because अभी तक confirmation email नहीं आया. She's just confirmed on WhatsApp with me. But It's not just me, it's Sarah Sarosh and Impulse Coffees because this year their theme is creators who have their own brands. And we've been shortlisted for it. Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow! Can you believe it?
I told you at the beginning of the year only that this year is yours. I'm not so surprised, to be very honest. I don't know. There's so much more coming.
I can't process it only. मैं क्या पहनूंगी?
अरे there is
बस कपड़े
time.
नहीं है. अभी तक हम किसी को भी नहीं बता रहे बिकॉज लिटरली अभी तो पता चला है. अभी शेरन को पता है, ऑफ कोर्स शी इज इन द ग्रुप. शी इज सो हैप्पी एंड शी इज जंपिंग ऑलरेडी बट शी इज लाइक ओके ओके we'll wait for the mail. Once we get the mail tomorrow my team will get on a call. We'll strategize this really well. कैसे करना है, इम्पल्स को कैसे लेके जाना है, एवरीथिंग. मैंने बोनाइटा को भी नहीं बताया अभी तक. I will get the confirmation email. We'll get the briefing call from the team and then we'll tell Bonaita. Oh my god. हम लोग लंच कर रहे हैं बिस्तर में बैठ के 3 बजे दोपहर को और लाइक 4:30 बजे खाना खा लेना चाहिए.
1 hour later.
We want to be one step ahead of the game and already start prep talk, shop talk. I want to tell Bonaita so badly. Of course she'll be happy. She'll be very happy. She'll be like, I didn't come here. Bonnie! इधर आ. मैं लिटरली आज नाइट सूट में काम कर रही हूँ. इतनी चिल हूँ मैं ऑफिस में. This is going to be my post birthday holiday. Impulse Coffees and Sarah Sarosh are going to Cannes Film Festival. Yes. Yes. I have to get the confirmation email, but I've gotten a confirmation from the Brute team. You didn't come into office thinking you guys. Neither did I.
No.
Nobody knew. Now we have to flag something big. Everything. Process it.
When is it?
It's in May. We have 3 months.
The next day.
Congratulations, you're going to the Cannes Film Festival.
Thank you.
How is it like? How are you feeling now?
I'm not processing it yet. I don't know. I will process it much later, I think. I'm very...
Yeah, I think when it's time to fly, when you're figuring out your outfits and everything, especially the red carpet.
Yeah, so I'm very charged up for how we want to do this and what we should do. So now we've got a confirmation email that we are going to Cannes. कैसे बोलते हैं? Cannes.
How do you go about pronouncing this? Well, first you have to know that the S
Pehle
at the end of
pronunciation.
Cannes is definitely silent. So do not say Canis or Cannes, but rather simply Cannes. Cannes, with
Cannes.
the
That's
famous
like Cannes.
sound in French at the end if you can. Cannes.
A few inches later.
दरवाजा बंद करो.
क्या शादी कर रही मम्मी? तुम वो सोसाइटी आंटीज की जैसा.
कुछ गुड न्यूज़ है. I'm getting anxiety. एक सेकेंड अभी से नहीं. I'm getting anxiety. क्या बोल रही
तुम मेकअप अच्छे से नहीं निकाली.
अरे यार तू पहला बोल यार. चल ठीक है मेकअप
I'm so
कर जाएगा
sorry.
आपने.
It's okay.
What?
Okay.
You got a new brand deal.
No. Brand deal. I have been confirmed to go to Cannes Film Festival this year.
Oh,
Wow!
I always used to ask you. क्यों सारा? देखो they blur है.
Cannes. Now,
We know the pronunciation.
say
Cannes.
not Cannes. It's Cannes.
Cannes.
Now अभी
Cannes.
confirm हुआ तो I learned the
Okay,
pronunciation.
Cannes.
Cannes Film Festival.
As
As an entrepreneur with Impulse Coffees.
Great.
Wow.
Very nice.
Mashallah, mashallah.
very good. When is that?
It's in May.
Are you serious? Oh my god!
Yeah.
My god, this is so big!
I know. Which is why I have been so extra stressed this year. मेरे को तुम लोगों को कुछ बोलने का है.
Deva, oh
क्या
तो मेरे को एक चीज जो पता थी मुझे वही पता थी अभी।
वो तो कुछ हुआ
जा
भी
रही
नहीं।
है
वो तो हुआ भी
और
नहीं।
वो जो दूसरा पता था वो नहीं हुआ।
यार मुझे तुम लोग ऐसे मत बात करो यार।
अरे रुक जा 2 मिनट।
Code language।
कैनेडियन
तुम लोग सोच पाओगे क्या कि मैं बता दूं?
मेरा धड़ हो रहा है, मेरे को पैनिक अटैक आएगा।
अभी भाई
तुम
बात
किधर-
हो जाएगी।
I am going to the Cannes Film Festival this year.
Are you fucking with me right now?
Bro, let me look it up.
What did you just say?
Yeah, I am invited to go to the Cannes.
यार
No, Brute.
मेरे को बाल खड़े हो गए।
This year they are doing creators who own their own brands. So Sarah Sarosh and Impulse Coffees are going to Cannes.
Chana, this is insane.
Mashallah, mashallah.
Congratulations.
मेरे को अभी भी विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है क्या बोला है। ब्रो मेरा हाथ कांप रहा है।
It's like हम लोग मस्ती मस्ती में बोलते थे यार।
You know when I by mistake said the Met Gala, I wanted to.
ये किधर से आया? मैंने नहीं।
No, so I was
नहीं,
like, you
गलती
know
से
what?
बोला
I
होगा।
will not get both of them on a call again. So let me just say it today because I didn't know when this would happen. So अलग अलग बोलने से अच्छा है like एक ही साथ ही
वो ये किधर जा रही है?
I'm so fucking proud of you. This is
ब्रो फक
like insane, bro.
ये कभी होता है?
May में I have been planning my red carpet looks and हम
No,
लोग
then you're gonna get like those, oh look here, look there, and that guy, oh my god! And then वो ऐसे zoom in करके तेरा photo नहीं।
because बहुत काम होगा.
Yeah, बहुत काम तो करके looks figure out करने पड़ेंगे. तो someone like मुझे पूरे सारे YouTubers के vlogs याद आ रहे, like oh my god, source कर रहे हैं हम ये कर रहे हैं.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god.
हम मस्ती में बोलते थे पता है ये सब.
I know. मुझे कभी ऑनेस्टली मेरे बकेट लिस्ट पे भी नहीं था. मुझे नहीं जाना मतलब ऐसा
ये
था
तेरे
नहीं.
विजन बोर्ड पे नहीं था?
नहीं ये नहीं था. There was a
कुछ जगह खाली छोड़ी थी क्या विजन बोर्ड?
नहीं मैंने रेड कार्पेट डाली थी but I didn't think it would be the Cannes red carpet. Like I had a red carpet. I have to tell you something.
What is it? Are you engaged?
Arey, why is it that everyone just thinks I'm getting married?
Are you launching another brand?
No.
We have a big collab with something. Are you going on an international trip? Let me keep guessing.
I am going on an international trip. Yes.
With a brand.
No, not really. Yeah, but sort of.
What is it?
I'm going to the Cannes Film Festival.
Oh my god. Huge.
I know.
I can't believe I know a person who's Cannes Film Festival. Oh my god, Sarah, you're famous.
मेरे को तेरे को कुछ बोलने का है.
Yes. Finally.
Finally.
सुनो.
खाना खाने दो मेरे को।
खाना खा ले ठीक है खाना
अरे
खा
नहीं नहीं अरे बोलो अभी बोलो.
मजाक कर रहा हूँ। ए भाई चुप पड़।
I am going this year to the Cannes Film Festival.
जारी है में भाई सब आ गया.
Yes.
अभी एक हफ्ते में पूरा रोस्टर आएगा उसके नाम के साथ.
इसलिए मैं अपन जा रहे हैं आउटफिट फिटिंग के लिए जो ट्यूसडे जा रहे हैं ना रेड कार्पेट आउटफिट की फिटिंग. हाँ एग्जैक्टली.
इसी बात पे cheers.
आइस टी चीयर्स.
Cheers.
Alright then, now you saw all the cute, wholesome reactions and a little bit of the prep you've seen of the last 3 months. बस initial prep ही इस vlog में मैंने आपको दिखाया because उसके अलावा भी बहुत कुछ हुआ है. Definitely be rest assured that there are going to be outfit from scratch of my like outfits coming for y'all, because every single thing I've done, every meeting in the last 3 months, every visit even to Kolkata was because I was prepping for the Cannes Film Festival. So मेरे सारे looks का पूरा journey मैंने आप लोग के लिए vlog किया है और कान में भी मैं आप लोग के साथ सब vlog करूंगी. बहुत कुछ मजेदार content आप लोग के लिए आने वाला है. So stay tuned on my channel, subscribe if you haven't already. I don't think I need to say this. And for today's video, my Sara Squad shout out goes to my YouTube Sara Squad, specifically to my YouTube Sara Squad, because I feel आज के ज़माने में हम सब इतने instant और Instagram focus हो गए. And when I was doubting myself कि अरे मेरे Instagram पे इतने कम followers है, I would be one of those creators. Like I think I am the creator with the least Instagram following who's going, because everyone else who I know is going has like more than 5 lakh, more than 1 million followers. I have the least Instagram followers, but all my team and Reet and everyone was saying is that you forget YouTube. Like you forget, how can you just forget your YouTube squad? And I feel nowadays Instagram इतना ज़्यादा भाव हो गया है ना, Instagram का भावटा इतना ज़्यादा चढ़ गया है कि हम YouTube को भूल ही जाते हैं. And they made me realize that Sara, you have 1.5 million YouTube following, जो किसी की भी बहुत मुश्किल से बनती है और कितने लोगों की नहीं है. And I tend to forget my YouTube Sara Squad, who shows up every single time. Anything I post, any time I post, y'all come to watch, and y'all are the reason I am here for sure. I always say this, I am because you are. And आज अगर मैं ये रेड कार्पेट पे जा रही हूँ, आप लोग की वजह से जा रही हूँ. जितना हो सके आप लोग के लिए व्लॉग करूंगी ताकि आप लोग सब कुछ देख सको. Like this will be the most detailed Cannes vlog you'll see on YouTube, because I will take y'all everywhere with me, and I'm very excited. From my flight to मैंने क्या खाया, to मैंने क्या पहना, क्यों पहना, सब कुछ दिखाऊंगी. I'm so excited for the whole journey, and I really hope you all enjoy this entire series of videos that is going to come. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already, so that you see more instant content, because we're going to we're planning to post a lot over there. Instagram पे हम फटाफट पोस्ट करेंगे और फिर vlogs मेरे आराम से आएंगे. तो follow me on Instagram. And कुछ महीने में inconsistent थी YouTube पे, वो इसीलिए था क्योंकि मैं जो कर रही थी वो मैं vlog नहीं कर पाई. But अब मैं consistent हो गई हूँ. 1 महीने से I've been consistent, and Alhamdulillah, inshallah I will stay consistent. आगे जाके I'm just so grateful to y'all and to my God, to everyone who's been on this journey with me. And yeah, let's go baby.